What we do here is go back, 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 back.
A glass of warm water keep you healthy. Hi, hello, namaste. This is your Nikhil. Welcome back to the channel. So now the time is 5:20 a.m. in the morning. I kept video for the rendering. Hectic task, editing and rendering. Let's go to KBR Park. Welcome back to the vlog. So KBR Park, we are going to KBR Park for jogging, and it's 26 minutes 18 kilometers away from my home. It is located at Jubilee Hills and Banjara Hills. Very cold. I thought it's not, but it's cold. Morning rides are like stress busters for me. I enjoy a lot in the morning when I am driving. The views, the pleasant environment. It gives me an inner happiness. So the map is showing me that Mindspace flyover, Durgam Cheru flyover. So if that is the road which I am going to take, then you will be getting chance to okay, it will show from IKEA, I guess. We need to go from IKEA and then turn right in Orbit Mall. Might be that is the flyover where we will reach. That is the way to flyover. Let's see. This is the IKEA store. Amazing view. I think this is the best time to capture the best view of this bridge. Wow, sunrise and this flyover. What a view. This is Durgam Cheru, what you are seeing to my left. So this flyover is called as Durgam Cheru flyover. And this road will continue till road number 45 from here, which will connect a long stretch. What a view, what a sunrise, man. I don't think camera will do justice. Wow. amazing. Towards right we have entrance. See how many vehicles we have. All came for morning walk. So everyone here came for morning walk to get parking. Let's park here. So this is inside the KBR park. You can listen to bird sounds. You can see the peacocks walking around here. There are a number of peacocks. This is completely greenery. It is in the middle of the city. The peacock is drinking water. There is a mosque here. So we have completed the park. Now we are heading back to home. The park is just amazing. It's in the middle of the city, and we have such a beautiful nature within the city. That's really good. So entrance ticket is there. Per head it is 35 rupees. For children it is 25 rupees. And we have monthly and yearly passes as well. So whatever you are looking towards my left, everything is KBR park only. at the buildings. So there you can see IKEA, and behind that you can see Deloitte. That was my office earlier. One of the best buildings in the Hyderabad is Deloitte. I'll show you from near. We are going from there only. So this is IKEA. Overview is the Deloitte, my office. If you enter into that, it is not less than any 7-star hotel.